the elevator at 216 Ingle Street in Inglewood, New Jersey. Let's check the phone out. There's the phone. Let's go down to P. Still more parking. There's Otis, capacity 2,500 pounds. Series 1, like the flat type of ones. They look very similar, except they're pretty slim. And you have, let's go up to 2. Alright, indicators burnt out on P. Bars on every side. Elevator is half lit, half dark. Alright, 2 is also burnt out, and the button also goes out right away. A couple of skylights. Stairways to each end, another restroom. Let's go back to 1. Just let the button come out. Alright, here we are. Capacity is 2,500 pounds if I didn't get that yet. We are back on 1. There it goes. And that's it.